Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to hard factory reset on Amazon Fire Tablet. This can help if your tablet is running slowly, freezing, or you want to erase everything before giving it away or selling it. The steps I'm about to show apply to first and second generation Amazon Fire tablets. First, turn on your Amazon Fire tablet and press the menu button. From there, go to Settings. You'll recognize it by the gear icon. Next, scroll down and tap on the option that says More. After that, select Device from the list of settings. Once you're in the Device menu, choose Reset to Factory Defaults. Finally, tap on Erase Everything to confirm. The tablet will begin the factory reset process, which may take a few minutes to complete. When the reset is finished, your Amazon Fire tablet will restart and return to its original factory settings, just like it was when you first got it. And that's how you hard factory reset on Amazon Fire tablet. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.